Hi there, my name's Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to our February Hot Products video. Today I have with me Tyler Clausen with Littelfuse and Rod Cart with Leuze. And Tyler's going to talk to us about the amazing Littelfuse Shock Block, whereas Rod's going to talk to us about the safety radar that Leuze offers. And I'm going to start us off by telling you a little bit more about our enclosure modification services that we offer you. So we here at Standard Electric know that in-house enclosure modifications can be a real pain. Not only is it challenging and time consuming, ultimately the process can cost you a lot in labor and also your plant floor space. The large capacity of our own local enclosure modification shops, combined with our extensive enclosure inventory, well, basically that ensures that you're going to receive a quick turnaround to meet all of your project requirements and deadlines. Our enclosure modification service helps us design custom and unique enclosures to your requirements. And we have specialists on staff who assist you with any and all of your modification needs, while we also provide you with a streamlined and cost-effective way to do the modifications. So our services include accessory installation, enclosure assembly, we can do holes and cutouts, sub-panel modifications, climate control solutions, as well as custom painting and flexible bus bar work. So if you need to know more, please reach out to your account manager and they're going to be glad to tell you about our unsurpassed and unmatched modification services. So now that you know all about our enclosure modification services, Rod is going to go next. And Rod, why don't you tell us more about that Leuze Safety Radar?
So very excited about our safety radar. It's one of our technologically advanced newer products that's on the market. Safety radar is a product that's designed to keep people safe from potential hazards such as robots and machinery that might be moving, something that potentially could collide or hurt them. So there's many different products that are on the market to keep people safe from dangerous machinery, light curtains, safety laser scanners, different devices like that, or potentially interlocks to keep people out of areas like on a gate. You have a gate switch or what have you that keeps you from entering an area when there is unsafe motion. The safety radar came out in 2016. It's sort of the new innovation to the safety market. There haven't been a lot of new products that have come out that really have been as significant as safety radar for 30 plus years. So we're very excited about it. It definitely is one of those products that can be used in places where there's harsh environments, a lot of water, dampness. You could have dirt and dust and debris. It works very similar to the radar that actually detects planes in the air. So it sends out this radar wave, and it sends out multiple waves. So in between the waves, we get a bounce back between the waves. If it shows that there's a distance between the waves, that means there's motion, and motion is what the safety radar looks for. And as I'd mentioned, it works really well in harsh environments. It doesn't see a lot of the standard dirt and dust and even oil dripping onto this or water dripping onto this product, which is something that a lot of the optical sensors, such as light curtains and safety laser scanners, cannot do. So even though we have a full line of optical sensors, light barriers, and safety laser scanner, the addition of this safety radar really makes Leuze's safety offering really broad and something for everybody. So if you'd like to learn more about this wonderful product, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager for more information. Thank you.
Thank you, Rod. That was great about the safety radar. Make sure you reach out to your account manager to learn more about that. Tyler, you're going to tell us more about the Littelfuse Shock Block. So why don't you go ahead?
Thanks, Joanne. The Littelfuse Shock Block is a three-phase GFCI that we launched last year to protect people from shock in the workplace. While it's mandated for use in areas like commercial kitchens and restaurants, it actually becomes a more important technology when you think about industrial applications. So if you think about an industry like food and beverage, a food and beverage plant is going to have equipment that is often washed down or wet. It might be movable and fed by portable cables. In addition, when you think about industrial applications, it often draws more power and requires a 480 volt or 600 volt supply. So the chance and the hazard presented by that equipment for a shock is even higher than what you'd see in the restaurants. So the Littelfuse Shock Block is an ideal technology for use in an industrial plant because it has three main features that sets it apart from the others. The first one is called ground check. What the Littelfuse Shock Block does is it constantly monitors the connection of the ground out to that piece of equipment and proves that that piece of equipment is properly grounded. The second function or feature that we offer is called an inverse time current curve. And basically what that means is if there's a very high level of ground fault current, the shock block is going to trip extremely fast. But if it's just a low level of fault current, the shock block allows a little bit more time to potentially ride through the fault and eliminate nuisance trips. The third feature that we offer that makes it very applicable to an industrial application is the DFT or harmonic filter. So in an industrial plant, if they are using VFDs or anything else that creates high frequency noise that might cause other products to trip, the shock block is going to ignore the harmonics and is only going to trip on a true ground fault. If you have any more questions about the shock block, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. Thank you.
Tyler, that was amazing. That was actually shocking, the information that you gave us about that shock block. See what I did there? Anyway, thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Rod, for sharing that good information. As I always say every single month, if you want to know more, please reach out to the account managers, especially about these two products, as well as our Enclosure Modification Services. Also, please like this video, as well as subscribe. You can also find us on all our social platforms. That's it for February, and I'm looking forward to talking with you and some of our wonderful suppliers next month in March. So take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.